Hot pants, the stylish alternative to the miniskirt in 2025. In 2025, fashion is all about bold choices, comfort, and reinventing classic styles. One of the most striking trends this year is the resurgence of hot pants, emerging as a modern and daring alternative to the traditional miniskirt. Hot pants are redefining wardrobes, offering versatility, style, and confidence in equal measure. What exactly are hot pants? Hot pants are ultra-short, form-fitting shorts that first gained popularity in the 1970s. While they were originally seen as summer staples, designers in 2025 are reinventing them with varied fabrics and designs suitable for year-round wear. Modern hot pants come in denim, leather, sequins, knit, and silk, making them adaptable for both casual outings and glamorous events. Hot pants versus miniskirts. Understanding the difference feature. Hot pants. Extremely short, 2 to 3 inch inseam. Fit, form-fitting. Styling flexibility. Works with crop tops, blazers, oversized shirts. Comfort, high comfort and secure fit. Seasonality, wearable all year with layering. Miniskirt, short, typically 12-16 inches. Fit varies. Styling pairs with blouses, sweaters, jackets. Comfort varies. Seasonality mainly spring and summer. While miniskirts are timeless and classic, hot pants provide a more contemporary, edgy aesthetic, allowing freedom of movement without compromising on style. Why hot pants are trending in 2025. Runway popularity designers worldwide are featuring hot pants in spring-summer 2025 collections. Brands have showcased hot pants in bold prints, metallic fabrics, and playful textures, cementing their comeback in the fashion mainstream. Versatile styling options. Hot pants are incredibly versatile. For daytime casual looks, pair them with a loose tee and sneakers. For evening events, match them with a silk blouse and heeled sandals. This adaptability makes them a favorite among fashion-forward individuals. Comfort and confidence. Unlike some miniskirts that may require frequent adjustment, hot pants are designed to stay in place, offering comfort while maintaining a flattering silhouette. They combine ease of movement with style, making them perfect for active, busy lifestyles. Celebrity and global influence celebrities around the world are embracing hot pants. Stars have been spotted wearing them in street style, music videos, and red carpet events. This exposure has accelerated the trend globally, inspiring fashion enthusiasts from New York to Tokyo. How to wear hot pants in 2025. Casual daytime look. Top, cropped t-shirts, or oversized blouses, shoes, sneakers or flat sandals, accessories, sunglasses and crossbody bags, chic evening outfit, top, silk camisole or fitted blouse, shoes, heels or ankle boots, accessories, statement jewelry and clutch bags, street-style edge top, leather jackets or fitted tank tops, shoes, combat boots or platform sneakers, accessories, layered necklaces, hats, fabrics and materials to consider. The fabric of hot pants can dramatically influence the look and feel. Denim, casual, timeless, and versatile. Leather, edgy and bold, perfect for nights out, sequins or satin, glamorous, ideal for parties or events. Cotton or knit, comfortable and breathable for everyday wear. Tips for wearing hot pants confidently. Own the look. Confidence is key to pulling off hot pants. Layering. Pair with jackets, cardigans, or long coats for cooler seasons. Footwear choices. Match shoes to the occasion, casual, chic, or edgy. Event appropriateness. Ensure the outfit suits the setting and mood. The future of hot pants. Hot pants are not just a fleeting trend, they are here to stay. Designers are continuously experimenting with colors, textures, and patterns, making them adaptable for various seasons and occasions. Their versatility, bold style, and comfort ensure they remain a staple in global fashion. Conclusion. Hot pants have firmly established themselves as the modern, edgy alternative to the miniskirt in 2025. Combining style, versatility, and comfort, they are suitable for a wide range of occasions, from casual outings to evening events. By understanding how to style them and selecting the right fabrics, anyone can embrace this bold fashion statement confidently.